To install OpenPLC Runtime in the PLC VM, you open the PLC VM, which is right here, and then type sudo git clone https / github.com git. So right now it's cloning and it's done. But before I keep going, I want to explain something. If you don't have, if for some reason you get an error saying that you don't have the git function, so just read the website. There's a step that you can do to have git, which is just type sudo apt install git. And also, if your network is not working, you can't get into the internet, go back to the instructions, and what you should do is that you should add a network, another one with a different name but with the same settings, and then after you add that, just change the name in each VM to use the one you created, and that will be it. Your internet will start working. So that's it. So the next step here is cd open PLC 3 install I forgot to you gotta do sudo / install Linux. Yes, right now it's installing. So one more time, if your network, if you can access the internet, go back here, create, go to preferences, network, and add another network with another name. Could be like this one, but with the same settings as the network before. And then of course you go ahead in each of one of this, go ahead in settings and then change the network name. Instead of network, use the network one in my case. That's what you have to do if your network is not working. I'll be back when this finished. So the installation process is done, and what you have to do now is just go to your web browser and go to a new tab and type localhost 8000, and it should be able to connect to the OpenPLC web server. The username is OpenPLC and the password is also OpenPLC.